How can I restore Ctrl+ functionality in Microsoft Keyboard Layout Creator? I'm using Microsoft Keyboard Layout Creator 1.4, and I was able to successfully define my own keyboard. The problem is that now when I use Ctrl+ combinations, it doesn't use my new key but instead uses the old key that exists there. For example, if I bind N to B, you would expect that Ctrl+N would now send a Ctrl+B but instead it sends Ctrl+N. How can I get these Ctrl+ key combinations to use my new keys instead? I tried adding the keys to the control layout, but it didn't work either.
You need to modify the .klc file manually. Basically you just modify the _column to match the value in column 1. So for example, if you want to bind L to N, you would create the keyboard as you normally would in KLC. Then you would open the KLC file in a text editor. Find the value L in the _column, and switch it to an N. For more information, I wrote the complete steps on my blog.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.